In this video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this natural makeup look. If you'd like to see how that went by, then you should definitely stay tuned. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I put up a new post. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So now I'm using this face moisturizer. I'm just going to apply it all over my face. It's called Knock. Using this highlighter, I'm just spreading it all over my face right now. I'm just spreading it out with my hands. Yeah. Next up, I'm using this Maybelline foundation in 368 and I'm just spraying it all over my face with my foundation brush, like so. Just going all over. Now I'm just using my spoolie to just comb my brows. Yeah, I'm just combing my brows right now. Right now I'm just lining the brows with my David's pencil in 18. Yes guys, I'm just lining it. I'm giving you guys a close-up so you see how it looks like. Yeah. So next up, I'll be using this LA Girl concealer to line the top and the bottom of my brows with my angle brush, gently lining the brows. Yeah, you just do it in short strokes. Nothing to rush, just go in short strokes. Yes, guys. So I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and just blend everything, make everything sit nicely on my face. And I'm going to blend everything downwards now. Just going to blend everything outward. Now, same angle brush that's been cleaned. I'm just highlighting the top with my LA Girl concealer in Beautiful Bronze. And I'm just highlighting gently like so. Yes, just take your time. There's no need to rush. If you guys want to see a detailed brow tutorial, kindly leave it in the description box and I'll definitely do that for you guys to see. And I'm just going to blend everything together with my beauty blender again. So now I'm just going in with a foundation, another foundation. I used a little bit of amount of Mary Kay this time to just blend all over my face. Just going with this eyeshadow, and I'm just blending this eyeshadow all over my eyes. Since we're trying to achieve a natural look, so I'm just going with the shadows that are earthly toned. Yes, and I'm just spreading it all over my lid and crease. Just blending it. Make sure you blend. That's the word. Blend and blend and blend till it all looks well blended. So yeah, I'm just highlighting my under eyes right now. And I'm going to highlight my forehead. Right now I'm just blending everything outwards. I'm just going to blend. Take note that I've been using this same beauty blender, so yeah, I'm trying to use the part that is still a bit clean so that it doesn't just mess everything up. And a little bit of contour on the nose just to define the nose basically. So I'm just defining my nose right now. This is a step that I usually don't do, yeah, but I might as well just do it. So I'm just blending everything. And I'm going in with my LA concealer in Fawn again, and yes, to just line the top of my nose. And I'm going to use a neat part of my beauty blender to just blend it. So yes, this old David's pencil that I've had in forever, I just decided to use it to line since I'm trying to go for a nude lips. Yeah, so I'm just lining the lips right now. And I'm using this Zaron nude lipstick also. I'm just going to blend everything out. Just down to the lip gloss to just give it a little bit of glow. So yeah, I went in with my setting powder now, and I just set my under eyes, my nose, my jaw, and now I'm just wiping it all off gently after allowing it set for some minutes. I allowed it first for say 3 minutes. Now I'm just going to go in with a dark shade in my palette and just contour. Yep, slightly contour. Leave for 2 minutes, and then yes, I went in with those two shades as you can see, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. Yes guys, I'm just applying. Do I use the word guys too much? And yes baby, this is the finished result of our natural nude makeup look. Guys, kindly rate me in the comment section, how did I do? This is my first makeup video on the channel, and yes, you guys should please encourage me. If you'd like to see more videos like this, kindly let me know. You can leave any kind of stuff you want and I'll work on it.